CCTV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155.
Dr. M. Choba Au, Ubalong National Vice President Jong BGP, but Ubalong Ru, Ulong Pet Yak Jala Megalaya, Ulapan Pau Yak Lyngngoh, but Lap Hidaladi Yak Jing Sahdien Jong Shella Constituency, Hakajingle Ujat Jong U, Shakashnong Shella, Hakakara Artery Urumpang Arjar Arpulai, Pan Pan Jingersha Nagpaiba, Nakabenta Kertong Jong BGP, Kakong Arena Nyota. Hakajinkan Miglat Patai Kubor, Uchoba Au, Loong Bawat La Shella Constituency, Kadega Bakio Bah, Kajing Pinmi, Yau Motion, Balasalan Chagari Bangladesh, and the Ginikatan Gadang Long Sahdien Bah, Habarok Liang. Ulakontoru, Yakajing Bamlay a Jonki MLA, Haginis Nambala Lyngngoh, Namarbakanika Constituency, Kamdon Satya Wat Tangwega Hospital, a school Gabaha, but Kamtam Egg Surap Gabaha, Kibalong Gijington Kam Kongsan Air, Jonki Paiba Nong Shoshnong.
This 26 Shella constituency, mostly I came here because this is a border area of one of the constituency which I want to see physically how it is. Now we have observed this is the Bangladesh border and Shella is one of the potential for mining area and one of the highest revenue can be given to government of Meghalaya. But what I have seen, this is not happening here because the thing is that the mining process also sometimes it goes to, I cannot say that illegal or legal or anything, but it looks like that doesn't receive much more revenue also. So if BJP comes to power and BJP candidate elect, I think we can assure you more than 60-70 crore, more than that I can assure you to give revenue to the government of Meghalaya from the mining sector. Secondly, I have seen last 40 years, whoever comes out from here, MLA or no, I think they have only promise after promise, but nothing has done. Here no hospital, no proper educational institute, college. So this is going to be declared as one of the districts. Still then, nothing is there. That is what I found. I think we need to elect one of the BJP representative from here in order to bring which is we can do, establish a good hospital, educational institute. Then there is some village which is no road at all, very pathetic condition. So these are the factors which I personally want to assess and I come here today. Yes, 2018 we established, we set up 47 candidates where 2 candidates. That time our organization also not much more proper way it was developed. So this time we have done in such a way that Meghalaya all the 60 seats we have filled up. And there is an organization is very strongly coming up. I am very much hopeful that we will be in comfortable majority. See, BJP is only one agenda that is called development. Everybody wants development. So development will be our top priority wherever we go. Road, connectivity, all these things will be comes up in the BJP in manifesto very soon. So our agenda is development. Yeah, I want to say here I have heard that there is an anti-Christian smoke are going on. So I have seen one video viral. So one church already burned and shown one BJP flag in the top. When you see the digitally, the flag size and church size, one fourth of the church size. So how can it is possible? So how they made it this one? In order to fool the people that BJP if come to power, then it will be become all the church will be burned down, it will be make temple. All are false propaganda. This is somewhere happened in Myanmar. Myanmar junta military has done something somewhere, but it has come to India and just digitalize, improve and just fooling us, everyone. This is, we Christians, I mean, we BJP, never been any commonwealth, never been anybody we treat them as a mistreat. We take them equally because our agenda is sabka sath, sabka vikas, sabka prayas. Last 40 years जो MLA चुन के आया है उनका कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन हम देख ही नहीं रहा है, तो इसको वेस्टेज कर दे। शिला का लोगों ने गलत आदमी को वोट दे के ये शिला को बर्बाद कर दिया। यहाँ मैं देखता हूँ जो इतना पुअर आदमी लोग है, इतना गरीब आदमी लोग है, ना घर है, ना सड़क है, ना टॉयलेट है, कुछ भी नहीं है। तो इसलिए मैं चाहता हूँ कि शिला का लोगों को मैं एक ही संदेश देना चाहता हूँ, शिला का लोग एक बार बीजेपी को वोट दो। जो यहाँ हमारा मैडम बैठा हुआ है कांग एरिना को वोट दो, एंड ही विल रिप्रेजेंट असेंबली एंड ही विल फाइट टिल एवरीथिंग इज फुलफिल्ड। ये मेरा मैसेज है सब।